Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Poetry on Windows, beginner guide step by step clearly. To uninstall Poetry on Windows, begin by opening the command prompt. You can do this by searching for CMD in the Windows search bar. Once the command prompt window is open, type the following command, Poetry self, uninstall, press the enter key. The system will prompt you to confirm the uninstallation. Type Y for yes and press enter again. Wait for the uninstallation process to complete. After the process is finished, you can verify that Poetry has been removed. To do this, type the command, Poetry version, press enter. If Poetry is successfully uninstalled, you should see an error message indicating that the command is not recognized. This confirms that Poetry has been removed from your system. If you encounter any issues during the process, make sure you have the necessary permissions. You may need to run the command prompt as an administrator. To do this, right-click on the command prompt icon and select Run as Administrator. Then, repeat the earlier commands. Once uninstalled, you may also want to remove any remaining configuration files. These can typically be found in your user directory under .config or .poetry. Delete the .poetry folder if it exists. This will ensure that all traces of Poetry are removed from your system. You have now successfully uninstalled Poetry from your Windows computer. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.